Hey everyone, welcome back to Tracing. So we are working on revenue and sales analysis. In this query, we want to find the single most profitable product category in our coffee shop, like hot drinks, cold drinks, or pastries. We look at how many items were sold for both in shop and takeaway, like in versus out, the total number sold, and the total revenue generated. Finally, we'll pick the category with the highest sales volume. Well, the below is the output. We'll find a profitable category, quantity sold out, in, and total quantity sold. Finally, we'll limit the result to 1, and the query will extract the most profitable category. Now, for this query, we'll use two tables: menu items and orders. So let's look at the menu items table. So from this table, we will use item category to extract category, also item price for revenue, and item ID to join both tables. Well, now orders table. From this table, we will use quantity, also in and out to extract quantity sold out and in, and orders ID. Well, let's begin writing the query. We will start with select statement to select the columns. So select, and first we will extract category from menu items. Menu items dot items category as profitable category. Then we will extract quantity sold out. Now for that we will use some function, and in some function we will use a case statement. Now case when orders data, now in and out column, right, we will use for that in and out equal to out, then we will count it, then quantity, orders dot quantity, else we will count it as 0, else 0, and we will label it as quantity sold out. Quantity sold out means how many items were sold for pickup or delivery. Let's move it to the second line for better readability. Now quantity sold in. For that we will use the same logic, just we will change out to in. Here in means inside shop. Well, we will name it as quantity sold in. Now here what we have done is, if orders dot in or out equal to in, then count quantity, else don't count or 0. Now total quantity sold, we simply add up every quantity sold both in and out. So sum orders dot quantity, this gives us the overall number of items sold in each category from menu items, and we will call it MI. It's a short name, right? And finally we will join both tables using item ID, because we link each menu item to its sales record by matching item ID in both tables. We call the orders table O, and now we will join both tables using item ID. MI dot item ID equal to orders dot item ID. Finally, group by menu items dot item category. Why? Because we will tell SQL to group all rows by each distinct category name. So every aggregation is calculated per category, not across the whole table. Well, so group by menu items dot item category. Finally, we will sort the results in descending order, so the category with the highest total items sold comes first. This helps us easily see which category is the best seller. Okay, so order by total quantity sold. First, let's leave it in ascending order, then later we will sort it in descending. Let's run the query. Okay, there is a mistake. I forget about then keyword, so I have to use it then order dot quantity. Okay, again Now here is a syntax error, so it's order table, not order. Now again run the query. Well, this is the output, but now two things are missing. One is to sort it in descending order, so the most profitable categories will shown first. So we have to use descending keyword to sort it in descending order. So let's use it and again run it. Now you can see it shows the most profitable categories first, second and third in descending order. Now we will limit the result by 1 because we want the most profitable category. So hot drinks is the most profitable category with 277 total quantity sold. We forget about the most crucial column, which was total revenue per category. So for that we'll use the previous query logic where we identified total revenue per month. So here we grouped it by month. Now there in our query we will group it by category, so it will show category wise revenue, not monthly. So again let's run the query, and now it shows revenue per category, which is 1081.10. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and press the like button. See you in the next video.